Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable spatial audio for your earbuds Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro using application. You have to start by open Xiaomi Earbuds application. And now if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu. You need to scroll down and find audio effects. Then click on it and go to dimensional audio. And right here you need to enable immersive sound, and this immersive sound, this is actually a spatial audio. So to enable it you need to click one time on it if this slider, what located near to it, have empty background. If you want to disable it, you can also make it the same by press one time at this slider, but if the slider have colorful background. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.